It's 5:46 in the morning, and not a single soul is here. I mean, there are cars parked there. I don't know if there's people in there. Maybe for the grocery store. But yeah, I'm out here charging my car, and I also thought, you know what? Let me record. The reason being, I want to, I was gonna, what do you call it? Detailing. I was gonna do some detailing of my car, clean out my car. No, this is not properly. Hold on. Okay, jeez. Okay, I'm not gonna edit this out. I just want it to be natural as possible. Yeah. So I was thinking of detailing my car, cleaning it out from inside out properly, because after 30 minutes. So I thought, why not I record this and kind of talk about why I do certain things, perhaps, right? So let's start doing it, because we just have 20 minutes. So I don't want to waste any bit of that. But yeah, I'm putting my laptop over there. So kind of a couple of things. Okay, let me first grab this mic. Oh, that's way too close to my face. Anyhow, so kind of the first thing to start with is, why do I look at my car? It's just looking a little messy. Ooh, I did not know that. I did not. There's supercharging, blah 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 blah. I want to clean out the car every so often, is just because it kind of make sure that I don't what do you call it? Leave myself in a position where I'm being judged, perhaps. I don't know why I do it. And the other thing is, even if there's a person pulling up, I wanted to kind of have, what do you call it? I wanted to essentially overcome my fear of recording and everything. So let me get this out. A solution. Let me put this here. I don't know if it's gonna fall. If it falls, boom, I'm cooked. If it doesn't, I'm not cooked. But either way. Okay. Yeah, that's why another reason I'm recording this is I'm trying to get back into the game. I've been a little bit slow on YouTube. I don't want to do that. That was not part of my plan. So that's one thing that's not going to the plan. Everything else is okay. I opened the store. I did a lot of new design. A lot of new designs are coming. I'm gonna walk you through them as well. I'm making a really crazy product, which I'll share once I finish it, because that's gonna be a whole documentary, perhaps. So I'm gonna start documenting it. But yeah, so that's gonna be an amazing product, I know for a fact. Let me close this down. Okay, I need to close this window down because I need to wipe this down. Okay, you know what I'm doing, right? You know what I'm doing. I need to get a GoPro, not gonna lie. Like, this is what I want to do. I want to do things that, without the fear of being seen or whatever, right? Because the way I'm going, if I'm being feared of doing certain things, I'm not going to be able to get to the position I want to. Because that's the first thing that's happened. That essentially you get judged. Yeah, like that is literally the first thing that happens. So I need to get over that thing. First thing. On top of that, I want to do more of these content. I know this probably ain't gonna come out good because I'm not wearing like a proper GoPro or like there's not much scenes, but once I know I'm ready, I'll get the equipment because I don't want myself to be ready. Rest it all, right? That's one thing I do. I try to first see if I'm ready. If I'm ready, then boom, I'll go take that to a further extent because I knew that I was ready to essentially go all in for my store. So I just bought a store. I rented a store, whatever you want, but I invested a lot on that. And that was because I knew that I was ready. I knew that this was about to kind of like go in and invest all into that thing. Okay, let me see. These are the couple of things that I need to kind of like work on to how to handle cameras and all that. Like honestly, I would say I'm really good at it. Ooh. Don't ruin the car. Jeez. This is the one thing I was like, you know what? First of all, battery fire. This is gonna fall. Nothing happens. Now let's not try to do that again. Yep. Okay. Like I'm pretty good speaker, I'd say, or just a communicator, but I suck at recording videos. So I need to kind of like get into the game of getting better. Yeah. This is the second time I dropped it. Even my shit gonna get ruined. How much time is left? It's 12 minutes left. Let me quickly we're pretty much done because essentially we did 8 minutes for the other side and then 8 minutes for this side and then hopefully we have 4 minutes for the 2 minutes for the week. Here is pretty much okay. It's just the exterior that's everything like that. Rush is by now, people is watching me, and that is perfectly fine. That is what I'm not God under pressure, perhaps. Okay. I've come in like notice. Nobody's gonna care because everyone's gonna forget after like 5 to 10 seconds. After like 2 minutes, everyone's gonna be like, oh, yeah. And some of the people tested, people that watched. Yeah, like, what the hell am I watching for? It's like, not much. I know, it's okay. Okay. Jeez, this shit is slippery. Okay. Okay, jeez. Okay. Now, let me finish this. I'm probably gonna speed it up. Speed this whole thing up because, no, I'll keep it there. I'll keep it there. If people want to watch it, it's at the same time. Not much involved in here. So, I don't even know. And honestly, I just realized something. This is actually a boost to doing whatever I want. Because if I'm recording, I'd be less here. I'd do more stuff that I like without being judged, perhaps. Because I gonna like stop myself just because of I guess from being judged. But this perhaps is a good idea. This is actually a perfect idea to record more because I say whatever I want, I do whatever I want, and that's kind of like the dream. The dream is to have the free will to be whatever. So that's kind of the idea here. But there's a really nice S model sitting right over here. It's a nice car. It's a really nice car. And at the same time, R is a nice car too. Once this is cleaned up, it takes like 2 more minutes. And I just clean out the doors from the inside. It's already looking like a bed. Obviously, the little bit of marks gonna go away. I'm gonna try to swipe down this bit. Like there should be an option to do like 0.5 in here, because the reason being I wanna record at 0.5 mm just to kind of like figure out my view and shit. Okay. Yeah, another thing I try to keep it clean is because I feel like, I don't know who was it. So one of my friend was like, I usually judge boys their cars. What does that mean is kind of like, I also think that I think how you maintain your car is kind of like how you maintain a lot of things. Okay, that's it. So that is pretty much it for this. I just need to wipe down these kind of like little things Boom. Because these people forget. I don't, because this is really important. Alright, this is good. We're looking good as well. This one I did last night, but I don't know what I did because it was dark. And I don't know why last night was cold. So this thing kind of like had a lot of water droplets over it. I don't know why I'm wearing dress shoes. Also, I'm using this thing. I don't know what this is. It's like nice floral scent. I don't know why I'm here smelling coffee here, but anyhow. So that kind of like this is a really nice smell, and I didn't. Oh fuck. And I can literally smell it for like 60 out of. Okay. Yeah, see, this is looking good now. 5 minutes remaining. Boom. Only the mat's gonna be there, and then that I can do it in a second. I'm just wondering when the full size frog is gonna come here in Ontario, especially Toronto. Okay, jeez. All right. Alrighty. See? Took me quick little. Should I bump up my power to be 90%? The reason being is I'm traveling a lot, and 80% is just gonna be enough for. It'll be okay, like from work. So I need to go to Mississauga. From there, I need to collect my food, or not Mississauga, countryside. And then from there, I need to collect the food. That's like, I'd say 2 hours, 1.5 hours, but around roughly, how much drive? Like 60 kilometers. Then I need to go further. Let me bump up the charger. Boom. How do you do that? Okay. Bump it up to 90. Oh shit. It increased my 20-minute timer. I must just leave in like 5 minutes. But yeah. Then work another 100. So like, I'm driving like 200 kilometers today. Bruh. I bought it like few days ago, or not even few. It's been almost a month. Like in 5-6 days, it's gonna be a month. But yeah, either way, that I've drove almost 4K. Yeah, 4K. That's a bit. So that's like 50K a year. Damn, son, that's a lot. Yeah, that's kind of the idea. Now, I don't know what I said, because again, half of my mind was also in sleep, but that's pretty much it. And now I'm gonna go to the gym, shower, gym, and then at like 7:30 I'll leave from here. Alright, take care, stay safe. You're gonna see a lot more videos coming in, so make sure to subscribe and obviously make me happy. Alright, take care and stay safe. Bye.